Now I like to avoid, making long continuous splines because they're a little bit difficult to control. So this is as far as we'll take that spline. So now let's grab that plane that we just created and then create a spline. And because that plane is selected, it should create a spline on the selected plane. So I can just do like this just to finish up that spline. We're going to call this the end of our spline. That's all that we need. And then I just need to connect those two things together. So let's right-click this and lock it down so I can't accidentally move it. Same with this one. Right-click and make fixed so this guy can't be moved. And it's just telling me that this constraint is broken. That's okay. We can delete that so that the fix stays where it is. Now I can take another spline, click this point and that point, and we'll make those tangent. And we'll make the other side tangent as well. And that actually looks pretty decent. Not too bad. But I think I want to control it in the middle. So let's right-click this guy, go down to Insert Spline Point. I'll add a spline point right in the middle, and then drag that up so it comes up over the coil on the way over. Perfect. That, my friends, is looking a lot like a cable. So we can now show that solid body again. So that's visible. Zoom way on in here. And now we can just extrude this the rest of the way. So first let's select this end face here and create a sketch on that, and then use Convert Entities to bring in the outside edges of that face. Then when we exit the sketch, we can run our swept boss, and our profile will be that new sketch we just created, and the path will be that three-dimensional sketch that we created. And now we're just running that straight along. Perfect. Hit OK, and we should be left with a pretty decent looking cable. And as you know, you can always adjust that if you need to. But I think that's probably going to do us pretty well as a starting point anyway. Let's close this up. Not bad. That's looking pretty good, right? Now we just need to show the speaker connecting to the cable, and I think we're all done with this thing.